Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about specialty food, business easy and quick. So first tap Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, here enter your email address and start free trial. You can just skip all this if you want and continue. Wait a few seconds to build in this store. Now the first thing you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes where you can change them if you want and customize them on your homepage store. So for example, I'm gonna choose the craft theme. Now wait a few seconds to install in the theme. So once your theme is installed, click here publish, and now you can customize it on your homepage store. So it will take you to your homepage now. So here this is the style of your homepage. You can make it like a desktop, like a mobile style, or like a full screen style. So for me, I'm gonna just keep it like this. This is the settings where you can design your store. So the first, here we have the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. You can also show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. You can show retreat announcements. Here you can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text if you want. You can pass a link or search for something like collections. For example, I'm gonna select all collections. Let's get back and let's move on to the header. Here you can change the logo, desktop logo position. Also you can manage the main menu. You can change it or remove it if you want. You can change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header. Also here you can show separator line. You can manage color scheme, and here also you can manage the menu color scheme. You can also enable country and region selector and enable language selector. Here you can manage the spacing if you want. You can manage the section padding and the top padding and the bottom. Here you can manage the theme settings. Here you can put all your social media links if you want. You can put your Twitter and Facebook and Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want. Now let's move on to the logo. Here you can select your logo from your library, or for example, just for example, let's search on it on the browser. Specialty food business. Specialty food logo idea. So for example this is just for example. You can put your own logo from your library. Now here this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time. You can change it or remove it if you want. Here you can manage the desktop logo width if you want. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the next section, the template, the rich text. Here also you can manage the desktop content position. You can manage the content alignment. You can change the color scheme. You can manage the section padding, and also you can make section full width. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the heading. Here you can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Specialty food. So that's it. Now wait a few seconds. You can edit the heading size. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the collage. Here also you can edit the heading. Just generates the text. can change the hidden size, you can manage the desktop layout, the mobile layout, also you can manage the card style. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, the featured collection. Also here you can generate the text that describe what this text is about, specialty food, and also here description, you can also edit it if you want. So here you can edit the form of the text if you want, the form or the shape of the text. You can show collection description from the admin, you can change this description style. Also you can change the collection or create your own collection. You can make products full width or enable view all if collection has more products than shown. You can enable carousel on desktop. You can change the color scheme. Also here you can manage the product card. You can show second image on hover. Also you can show vendor, you can show product region, you can enable quick add button. So that's it. Now let's get back. If you want to add something new on your home page, just click here add section, select what kind of section you want to add on your home page, and that's it. It should be related, for example the image banner, the image, it should be related to the business, like the specialty food. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next section, the last section on the website, the footer section. So here you can edit the email sign up, you can change the color scheme, you can make section full width, and also you can manage the section padding. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, you can just save this from here, and let's get back, let's exit from here and go to the dashboard. So let's go to the home. After you customize your online store, after you add your first products, now the next step, name your store here. So here you can change the store name, type any name you want. You can here add your store phone, you can change your store email. So that's it. Now let's save this. Now the last step on this is launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.